Hi, it's Kathy from Fieldwork Connections. Today I am at a school in northern Sydney and I am going to be running a science incursion into sustainability with Year 9. This school is surrounded by bushland and we're going to be having a look at two different locations to compare the fuel load, where we're thinking about if a bushfire was to come up this valley, look at all those trees, which one would have a higher potential to burn, and then what that might be for the buildings around it. And we're also going to be measuring some trees to measure their carbon storage potential. For fuel load, we are comparing it to the top of the slope up here where there is a dam, to the bottom of the slope down where the courts are down there. We're measuring litter depth to the millimetre to find the equivalent litter weight, filling that into our table over here. Then we're looking at the scrub height, so how tall some of this lower story is, and using the table over here for the equivalent, like the density, and it gives us a number. We fill it in over here on the table, and then the percentage of how green to dead it is, and there is a factor, and then we put it into the equation to find out just how many tonnes per hectare of fuel load there is. Yeah, just like that. So you can see how the leaf litter is sitting around it like that. What do we think? What do you think the measurement might be? And then from 1.2 here, you measure across to say, is it dense, medium or sparse?
It's
So we're measuring the trees to think about their carbon storage potential and using the diameter to find the equivalent of CO2 stored in that tree. So this is using a tape to work out the diameter of the tree. So you can see it's not actually measuring in centimetres of the circumference, but you can see this lower part of the tape measures the diameter. So what's the size of this tree? The diameter?
20?
Okay. If you would like any science or geography fieldwork incursions designed for your school, please contact me at kathy@fieldworkconnections.com.au.